sitting here in this pleasant summer afternoon in this peaceful green garden on Newcastle Hill, where we are conversing, it is hard to realise how desperate a problem the world may suffer with this water supplies in the next half century. For example, in this August 1997 issue of the Geographical magazine, put out by the Royal Geographical Society in London, it is remarked, water world, it has been said that if, due to global warming, the ice caps were to melt, the levels of the ocean might not rise, as ice only displaces its own volume. It points out, though, that much ice is above sea level, and that sea levels would rise, and that rainfall would certainly greatly increase and cause many problems. But it can also mean a cycle of drought. And one scientist believes that by 2025, we should have the position where water will be the scarcest commodity on Earth, and a far more dangerous source of potential wars and struggles, of blackmail and international intrigue than oil is now at this present time. And that many people will die, as we are seeing signs developing rapidly with the terrible drought to our near north in Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines, and in fact in New Guinea. People will die not merely because they can't grow food crops. They may die because there is no drinking water. And even in prosperous Europe, at a conference 5 or 6 years ago in Tübingen, there were signs everywhere of a sad-looking wolf saying, "Wenn Sie trinken mein Wasser, then muss ich sterben. If you drink my water, then I must die." Because all over Europe, the streams that wildlife turn to are often dried up by the way the human sources take this water from the springs for human consumption. Now, all other species as well as man are endangered by this. And it is most vitally important that in the coming 10 or 20 years, we work extremely hard, hydrologists, politicians, experts in irrigation, and the ordinary consumer, to work out how we can get the best, fairest, and most valuable uses of our water. That we should not waste it. When it has been used, where possible, it should be cleaned for reuse. That where areas have drought, special requirements have been made and will have to be met. Altogether, we face a terrible challenge here. And if we fail to answer and respond in due time to this impending disaster, it will be a terrible thing for the human race. And also, the human race would have done a terrible thing to the other living organisms on this earth.